welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I know y'all haven't seen me in a long time either, but yeah, I'm back. Okay, so today's relaxing day. I already oiled my scalp and the hair and everything. If you want to see a detailed look, because it's not going to be a detailed look because I already have a detailed relax, like several detailed relaxer videos. I will link them down in the description box for y'all to go check it out. So I am 14 weeks post relaxer. I usually do my relaxers on the 15-week mark, but next week is my birthday, so a girl is trying to be slayed before, okay? So yeah, since our last get together, I have clipped a lot of my bone straight relaxed hair out. Y'all, I've been going through some stuff. Man, I'll talk about it in a different video, but we just gonna focus on perming my hair today, okay? So I'll be using olive oil ORS relaxer kit. I already mixed everything up and whatnot, so right now all we gonna do is just relax the hair, okay? All right. So this is my hair after I put in all the relaxer mixture. Now I'm gonna wait for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna go and wash my hair with the shampoo that comes with the box, with the kit, with the box, and the situation. Okay. Hi. So I washed and conditioned the hair with the shampoo and conditioner that comes with the kit. I didn't show you guys that part, but if you watch my previous video, you'll see exactly how I did it. And then I let the conditioner sit in and I sat in the dryer for an hour. Then what I do then I didn't rinse it out till this morning. I was so lazy, so I left the conditioner in all night and I rinsed it out this morning. So I'm getting ready to go to work now. So then I t-shirt dried my hair for about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to detangle and apply my leave-in conditioner.